CheCko is a browser extension wallet developed by Respr.io for the Linera blockchain. In this section, we will explain how to install the CheCko Wallet in your Chrome browser. We will also explain how to create and back up an account for the Linera blockchain in CheCko. Before creating an account, we need to set a password for the wallet. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long, including digits, letters, and at least one symbol from the following list: exclamation point, @sign, pound sign, parentheses, up arrow, ampersand, asterisk, percentage sign, underscore, plus. CheCko users should be aware that the wallet cannot recover their password if it's lost. The password will be used as a seed to encrypt important data in CheCko's browser storage. At this point, we can create an account for the Linera blockchain. We use a 24-word mnemonic as the seed to generate the private key. CheCko will generate this 24-word mnemonic. Be sure to write it down on paper. If we ever need to regenerate the account, we simply need to import the mnemonic into CheCko, and it will generate the same account again. After properly backing up the mnemonic, CheCko will ask us to validate it. It'll prompt us to fill in some random empty fields of the mnemonic to confirm that we have backed it up somewhere. Once validated, we can start using CheCko to access the Linera blockchain. In addition to initializing the wallet with the mnemonic, we can also create a new account in CheCko. Unlike other wallets that generate new accounts using the same seeds derived from the mnemonic, CheCko currently uses new seeds for each new account. This means that if we lose the private keys for an account, we will not be able to recover them using the initial mnemonic of the wallet that was used to generate the account. In the next section, we will explain how to back up and import accounts in CheCko.